Hello everyone, welcome to Admission Updates. AIMS Test for Management Admissions 2022 admit card is now available for download. Candidates who have filled the application form can download the admit card by visiting the official website. The direct link to access the website is given in the description box. Now, after visiting this official website, you have to click on this candidate login link. You click on that link, login page will open like this, and here you have to mention your exam, then EID number, then password. After password, you are required to enter the captcha code given here and then click on the login button to access your admit card. If in case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password link to retrieve your password or to create new password. So this was the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for the other important updates.